asetena mu any adwuma mu nsɛm bia ɔmo di mu akotene pa ɔmo wɔ mmere di mani pa bia Wise Smart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wise Smart Solicitors also dealt with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wise Smart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67 76 149 242 and 243. Wise Smart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Check is about 4 minutes past midday. I guess a Saturday, the 16th day November 2024, and still counting. And then a memory that area, Mamuna Bibia Wobiano, Hot Guitar Online UK, and UTA, minute lawyer Nanamwa, assign Abafidimuha, yet the community law, bro, Bibia Wobiano, Minim say, oh, yeah, nyame enkrakra kakra ye kodi bronye yi na ge se dani de nyina no na dum pempensu bi a na bibi esi na ebi a no bi ahwere ne nkwan ye mu bi ahwere ne nkwa che se nsem bebre yesre nyame se bibi edui mu edin de but nyankopon nala na be ma ya honden no enu tumi no ibitum die don dan den na ye krakra yakopon ye bompa ye so be ma ya wonden ena me ne lawyer na mo aba be dru fidiem ha enche na ye the community law ne bebreu na ya hwe na poso nsema ekoso ɛwɔ UK abɔnten so titiriw ɛba no yɛn asetena ɛwɔ kurom ha ɛne ɛkwankyerɛ bebree a yɛ sɛ yɛnya na bi ɔna yɛnnim no nti ɛnkyɛ mɛma lawyer Nana Mo akɔ aba na yɛahwɛ na wɔtwe yɛsiiɛ ɛwɔ the immigration ɛne nyama ba bia na yɛnti bi ɛwɔ UK abɔnten so nti mɛma lawyer Nana Mo akɔ aba na yɛatoa admit so lawyer Mo akɔ aba na ho yɛ
Yesu adom boko.
bibia boko.
Yesu adom.
Okay. Na why smart?
Oh, nyame adom. Nyame adom was ma hu ye pa.
Okay.
Obia hu ye. Me de enkra fi ho nyina bra obia.
Okay.
Obia hu ye pa.
All right. Now then the course week na entwa edwumede no so.
Sade o many too much.
Okay. What the kasa?
That's fine. The kai yasa di aseda kase menyame se wa hwe yen kwan so a o de yen kwan ache yen bepim samri ina michie adafo mi nyina nso a wo reti mi sampempen so yi megide se won so hu ye
obi a hu na
de nyame ase de nyame ase.
Okay. Yen hwe de course na yen to a edwumede no so
you nyama bibre every de bia nyama bebre koso a ehunhia setembia no ye twetwetwe ya adwen eba ho ye din nkomo na de na ba ku bia abaso a manage hu se ye behwe ne ma bi ewom emame binya ho toso prekope se ye nnuanem bia won ya application won fi se won kwa na wonam no san ye won kwa no wonam na nkrofo nso wo kwa wo hwe ne a wo ye na won so wo boa enti ye wo charity bi a wondin de Work Rights Center a registered charity they are dedicated to supporting migrants and disadvantaged British residents. On the answer on migrant and a disadvantaged resident across the employment sector.
Okay.
So they did a survey and interviews on the adult social sector to look at how a nyamano echo efa. Okay. Now on publishing no na nyama bi amo highlight e no na me pese
to me the
now, Omo publishes Omo report on 14th of November 2024 year. Okay. Now, findings from the interviews and survey were met that migrant care workers are subject to unsustainable working hours, low pay, persistent breaches of employment rights, and punitive visa regime. Okay. Into almost interviews and our surveyor almost no report no one who say migrants are a health and care, particularly they mention health and care holders no. I check it what interviews in the surveyor who say they are subject to unsustainable working hours. Unsustainable working hours means an abnormal circumstance. Yes, an abnormal circumstance. Who enter into contract of employment. You know the number of hours you have to do for a week.
For a week. If it's 20 hours.
20 hours, I would say 20 hours, 30 hours. Now, health and care for no, those hours are there on paper. But practically, it doesn't work.
So it's like a facelift.
So practically, it doesn't work. So, who enter to contract? I want to say yes. So where maybe 35.7 hours or 37.5 hours
a week.
Or 40 hours a week. Who read you the whole week in near might be 2 hours. It almost survey any who say.
Do you want to research?
Only your research. Only your research.
Okay.
And Work Rights Center a charity the main purpose na your research work about
okay.
those people. So first thing I want to say during the findings from the interviews and the surveys now, who the first one say health and care are subject to unsustainable working hours. Into working hours say what they are no anything is enye dwuma. Into okwa na onu say at least bosom na watch no onya bia 37.5 hours. Maybe na watch nyina wonya bia 20 hours. Obi okwa na watch mu ndra no ya money bi. The finding also highlighted in the report and say they also receive very low pay.
Very low pay.
Very low pay. In a persistent breaches of employment rights. We say last week they can't employment we no. All these they fall under unfair dismissal.
Okay.
Say kwa ni hu say ese anka oyinedi no oyinedi we bridge sa nyoma ni nyina. In a wo hu say sa visa regime na nkasa na punitive regime.
Okay.
I just say yedi ahye hama employers no in a omodi di ewu.
Infringing on people's
That's
rights.
it. But the alarming aspect is that before employer will get a license from the home office to recruit oversee worker now, these terms of conditions and a contract number of hours per week, it is stated in their sponsorship. COS now what the
certificate of sponsorship.
That is and the pay amount I want me ni nyina
until statutory.
Yes.
Okay.
One enti sani me nyina but survey no actually say it is different thing altogether. Enti emma health and care holders no omobre.
Okay. Okay.
What you say omobre enti based on that no they raise alarm. Into 1 year about 5 or 6 recommendations to the government. Immediately say government here be Now one recommendation is a recommendation for immigration reform for workers to be empowered.
Empowered, okay.
When we are talking about health and care, to be empowered to report non-compliance. And so one share one thing. So that be a new course with you because there should be incentives, moral incentives to report. But here's the case, because of punitive regime visa, now call it disincentive
to them. Okay, so it's like almost so big report.
So I don't know so report. Now we are movie. No who say employer net bridge compliance now. You be revoke the license. Now indirectly, one so about affect you.
Okay.
And the palm no try no. Makama no too. It didn't say no maybe cause of cry. Meeting ka. Inti ama health and care for no. Omobre. Inti when work rights center for no ekase. What is the first recommendation?
Sa research group.
Yes.
When was it initiated? Enchebi ana.
And it is not for only migrants, it's for vulnerable British residents in the society across working sector.
Okay, so they are an embodiment.
Yes.
That take charge.
That's it.
Okay.
And a researcher on 1 year, and one of the recommendations is there should be an incentive, announce empowerment to report non-compliance.
Non-compliance, okay.
And that tools will leave exploitative role. Exploitative role means say, "Ebia o ye nurse, ya fa o say ye nurse." And so no buy no, you do what to ebia health and care.
Now is that they are and I'm sure you are not doing it.
They are not doing it because some person wait you outside.
Okay.
In a bin so wait me about say, ebia ya juice car and said what. Some of the surveyor omuye and say obi a oba health and care it not to supervisor supervisory rule and you no apply it not demand ye more when me and person one you may you wedi in again so they are saying say they should empower and take labor to businesses that need and value them, which means say on patch say e ban say they experience this exploitative role now. I want problem one. I say what me a creative system say. Ade e koso wo adwuma no menye mempe enti me won kwan say me just adwuma no akope adwuma fofora me no they value me. What you say? They value me.
No say wo switch.
And no yes switch. Sa de na e koso no enye enti ma me ho kwan akonya na me nko baby foforo a on betimi abolo
or hesitate some
because of the punitive visa regime nti what they won nyina ahye employer nensa enti wo ye ye mu nyina for 5 years na so be on definite
why disabled
why you restricted e wo ho now you can't do anything that's it
okay
they said the 3 recommendations say ending the sponsorship system that put employers in charge of a foreign workers leave to remain
okay
who say you wo him say ye found as a health and care worker for 5 years nyina no wo share employer nensa because restricted to that particular employer
that is the condition
because of this some of the employers bully intimidate discriminate
infringe your right
that's it
okay and Article 8 una can say
well so ebanesa because say mantra ne ho for 5 years me nya me krata no na che say akwantu amitu no se bi ayekwa enti sa charity na ka say sa de no wonyi fi ho won fatu mi ni nyina emma employer na sa yes and those kind of exploitative system no e work na abuse e work we you rough one e threat you be you wedi one can one to my be you say because
going through that trauma
that's why the research has come out and then when I look at the report of the research about 97 pages me reading now so sana health and care for na wo sunu sana ye won kun na wonam o na binum so e wo ho a wo kai won a wo boa won this charity are more concerned about the welfare of the health and care holders
okay
the situation circumstances in which they go through it is really alarming
okay
a lot of people are as I'm speaking at omofie ejuma kra mo ni bi ye ma wo ejuma kra so they are going through emotional, financial, a lot
stress,
of in a way about. There another recommendation should be also the Home Office should at least update a policy to give visa workers more time to change sponsors because say sponsor license no revoke na employer no revoke by law no UK immigration way no yama carer no and as an employee no 60 days so on other so be switch and as a covid
respiratory
that's it and the open now the employee na at the tight corner
okay you know only option
sir because after 60 days so when me nya another new sponsor na just wa kan su mu
and so because of intimidation the employer will resist any attempt to say our man the option so okay so super so kwa and the mama way compare
that's what they do say we no put here say home office na call unannounced visitation on the side of the working place and as an employer no in the way who non-compliance new my course in the year revoke employer no license so indirectly you being employee no also is going to affect you in a home office Emma on 60 days say either you find a new sponsor or you leave and on a charity here Erica once work rights centers can say so limited time na what them want so one fan ko year on company extra and won update you the system and policy so they will give them enough time because it's not their fault
they are the victim of circumstances
that's it so you could see say obi opuru akodi ye fe
na opportunity mu fifi
That's it. Wakoka. And I'm meeting baby.
A victim of circumstance.
Into women are ebre. And I almost the last one also ensure that those who suffered exploitation are given unrestricted right to work to prevent real exploitation and destitution. What you say? Into one much say, woman as say no, what suffer from exploitation. As I say. And this is what restricted one. Say your mouth will be at 60 hours, and as I say 60 days, and as I say, and this is what restricted one. It should be unrestricted.
Okay.
Say a bit preventing real exploitation. Ability to destitute. Because say a ban is now you're restricted one. As I said, China exploitation it continue to go. Into what was so these are the recommendation. Work Rights Center.
And I'm not buying.
I recommend him say it is an emergency. They have to reform their policy. Send a buyer in Crawford or Bressa. And you know, Abanso normally no motive was supreme. Until I believe say ako out ya ye gusu keke kan hu yesi ombedi hu adwuma enti have and careful no munsu bebre say binum so wo ho a omkoma mo binum so wo ho a wo koma
a typical example
when you one of the way there are other
it's a credible institution my say
me say report no 97 pages
and they do.
And Duduna centered on health and care. The suffering and the intimidation, discrimination, our community highlight all these things. And based on that, they make this recommendation. Mark and once as soon as possible. This urgent need of reform. So because one know what they year say you be more 60 days 1 year they are not doing anything. You are even giving a license empowering the employee and most on behave the way or behave.
There's one man that weapon.
Yes, so is why I say 2 million and what you know that man they bully the vulnerable person. And he share quite say
recommendations.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
All right.
I don't know.
Very, very important and vital information from lawyer Nanamwa of Wismart Solicitors. So much track wine the 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston E8 3DL. Se open moi na se open so mu yibi mawa. For lawyer Nanamwa. Now so say office number was 0208 0165384 0208 0165384 and 077 375 72905 077 375 72905 Wismart Solicitors. And so emra kuni fie like I say emra no almost sorry hanuma son ha yam kola no ndi nkomo kakra ne emra. Hello.
Hello, Val. Good morning.
Morning. Nana Kwame here.
And I was telling them I love me quite.
Hey, and then I'm here. We'll be
morning. Hello, Michelle.
Yeah, also Nana.
Oh, Michelle lawyer super. What said? I've been worried about a health and care for ya. Yeah, almost
okay.
Say when and a black man. Over to me, standing on your right. First of all, they came legally. They went through the visa procedure, they were given the visa, and they came.
Yeah, sure.
If you, the UK, say Home Office, whatever contractor you should buy, agents you should buy, one authorize it, and our visa no buy.
No correct.
Now Tata said they are comfort, said they are illegal. And some days ago I was thinking, say, if all of them can come together, no one seal Home Office, all international law and quota. Almost so huge. Say every individual be a way general, I'm not for Tom Japadia, I'm not for John Yemen or Maba. That is a scam and a Home Office, more Africans. Now, African, we always keep our mouth shut near bread. And to this charity, you don't must as a man make a dream. Now, let's all get me up. Why you bo omo no now obi e be harassing bia no omo seal home office na me say every penny omo spending no you be the portal crown they have to compensate you.
That's right.
I think obi binin so ye nipa obi binin so ye nipa
no correct no right
I mean ya na we dey politics can come
I just say no add something to the discussion we need lawyer and amwa of Wiseman solicitors also health worker na who go through the trauma situation ekoswa there have been a charity organization that have taken the mantle to make sure they prevent all the obviously unnecessary response to you. They accorded respect any the due diligence of process you go through a lot of challenges there have been a company hello what I say.
Yeah, good afternoon. Me see mo program in beginning no. Na me pato ma to say home office for a release statement to say na say information say omo revoke omo dey care. Any ade ba ha na omo revoke company ni license omo ntwa dependent ni main applicant omo visa ni. Now, me find out from lawyer say no cry.
Well, what will be sir?
Me information say.
Also, information say.
Oh, okay.
Direct na mo release. Unya information so.
Unya information where?
On the 5th. On the 5th.
On the 5th, yeah.
Nah, yeah, 6th.
But who information no?
What I say?
Who information do have you have any document? Actually say that report is out and I say hearsay.
Yeah, almost they are told if anything
website.
The current update. Yeah. www.gov UK immigration
immigration UKVI.
Now
you also who be about cross check.
Yeah, cross check.
Okay. All right. 99% confirm from lawyers because more inside than fence we the outside. Now 20% confirm from cinema.
Yeah, okay then.
Obi wo. Yeah, true. Obi so say Yaman is steady in Zonfa and Fuku ha. Alpha National Farm Person Studio. And also my patrol home wow. Ah, with me.
And that is all for lawyer after the program. Oh, no. No money 077.
Me patrol, hold on. 1 minute why. Bogu phone 077.
375. 72905.
705.
72905. Yeah. Why?
All right. Yo, my friend, I come phone because
okay. Your phone, my friend. Why? All right. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Kobo.
Now say into you. Then I'll back.
Yeah, but lawyer man, passion, what you say?
Yes, sir. I don't know here,
yeah, lawyer man, me so care be ba say or the next nearby. Oh yeah, ana mene na kwanye makwa ne wade ofie me kwanye ne wade ofie wie no ana onyeme ye na wawo okwo wo ye no ono so ntwa ne kunu no wa no etimi kwa register woni wa na awo oni wa awo ba no de oni ne koye krata ne na wo na se me amenyem no na akwara ne ye me ba o me pre amama register akwara no abra oni ne ku so enye divorce abra me so akoye ne wade ofie e ba to maso me tie wa bye.
Now I said there was a conveyor belt or no go cases no jam. Now I said okay, I said last issue now.
Yeah, your friend said the cano in Yana dia obisa question. There's no minya information and there's no current way. And our reports in crime and say it was issued on the 14th. And if there has been a good way now because I report to grant say Emma out.
Emma out, yeah.
And also on the 5th. In that date, 15th. 16th. It can be mini
oh yeah.
No. We do a lot of research. So
I think maybe it was misinformed.
Yeah, but there's if you try no pay an
no, that was your 16th.
Every day, be I made by a lot of research. Am I?
I mean, I know. But I'm saying, on my date.
Yeah, until we will continue to do another research and check.
Okay.
And if anything's bar, I will catch you. It should be good. Nana said, you see, when you look at section 50, 9 section 59 of British Nationality Act
1971.
Yes. Nationality Act it tells you who is the mother of a child. Section 59 it defines who is the mother of the child.
Of the child, okay.
And you clear say the mother of the child is the woman who gives birth to the child.
Simple.
Right. Of section 59A, it defines who is the father of the child. Now, section 59A also a father of a child is the husband of the mother who gave birth to the child.
Okay.
He is the husband of the mother who gave birth to the child.
Okay.
Inti akwa we die no. Wonan oyere no wo ho. Ino akwa Ghana, no akwa nyinse. Nyinse no akwa no. You ask yourself so nipa ko no ne enyem no. Or your husband and also your father.
Your father.
Inti nana say die no, even though no enye no onyimo aye fa na ne yere. Nanso mabem emremu no ana section 50 na no e kire say abofra na papa ene nana say.
Okay.
Inti nana say krata okura no ono betumi gina so no de aye abofra no na nye dia onne mame na eden because at the time na Nims and by a banu woman now warrant us all. We have there was a genuine and subsistent relationship. Our any enguye. Inti senana se na sha minimum san yin sha minimum. Under section 50A, section 50 subsection 9A no che say na na say ba.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, na say what you assume. All right. Inti enche be call na we was mentioned nipa was in na. Hello. Mama.
Oh yes.
Now, our immigration issue. Yentio. Our name is
Mrs. Smith Martin.
I said,
lawyer, I can baby, I'm me say lawyer because me immigration problem. Me say I solve the answer and stand at me when you but I'm not so easy. Let's say na. What a mark on the papa.
Oh, okay.
Then my yeah, it's sabi when you want to be from her na. What is the abo? You fancy it? If my obey no one so one to my cognitive test on time you want to. I said you can there. Oh, the mouth papa, I don't know how to tackle it. Man to me the old name pa. You there, then you put what you must be a full of a yeah, from sister to sister. What is to one? My father was the one go there. What is ya? Whoa, now, Mr. Lawyer, Sabi, old busy the minister for ask him, I'm a one.
Okay.
Nothing doesn't clear. Then may you, Mr. What about Mr. May you A father was then from power come on, walk up and if you're for finance. Mamma, you're for now, who was that brand? What is yo? What is yo could woo? Now, me say, yes, sir. The members you're for me, you poor sister one. Not what happened one.
Well, okay.
Then you're the man now. Let me see when you don't.
And I know, I didn't run over Shama. Aye.
You. And see, my father, my back, and my sober. Message that convention time number before the 87th were officer. Mr. Damage, because the man and just please the billion. But I'm not that mammy to all the time. My mammy, you are 5 or 10.
You know, I'm about to get I am not a friend.
You it's in that officer. Me, I am. Never do master, Mamma, Madame Baba.
Yo, that's good. Mamma, thanks to you. Like I said, I also can abuse once and seven no can. Lawyer, now your program, no recourse to public funds. Now, your client will first remove no recourse to public funds to from your permitted leave. Bro, Tintin no macho. You can say no recourse to public funds are teacher.
Right, may that say. So when you look at section 115, subsection 9 of Immigration and Asylum Act 1999, it says that people who are granted leave to enter or to remain in the UK for a limited period will usually be subject to a no recourse to public funds. Condition, and therefore will be unable to claim benefits and local authority housing assistance.
Section 115.
Section 115, subsection 9
of the Asylum
Immigration Asylum Act 1999.
Act
1999. It says people who are granted leave to enter or leave to remain in the United Kingdom for a limited period will usually be subject to a no recourse to public funds conditions and therefore will be unable to claim benefit and local authority housing assistance. So this is the ATA, a preventing people they don't have indefinite leave to remain because also for limited period. Right. So back to your question, I just want to give you the
you were paraphrasing.
Yes, the foundation, the law back that. So based on your question, no recourse to public fund is a restriction placed on applicant immigration status. A restriction placed on applicant immigration status to prevent them from getting access to public funds. Simple. So acquire to say kunua bia ye da to kon so. Nime bia say wo ye no untimi ye. Enti sa kunua na wo de ato kon so law e backing no any section 119 115 subsection 9 of Immigration and Asylum Act 1999. They are told. Inti Oshe unya leave a Oshe wo had as a passport and as a BRP na echino yes no recourse to public fund. Inti no recourse to public fund e da so ayen konua da also. Emma public fund you cannot claim some. Ultimenje.
Ya de tabuato.
Ya de atoso. Eji se we den uyi. And we better say what is public fund. So public fund it includes universal credit. It includes pension credit. It includes housing benefits. It includes child benefit. It includes attendance allowance. It includes child tax credit. It includes carers allowance. It includes council tax reduction. It includes employment and support allowance. It includes income support. It includes job seekers allowance and PIP.
Payment, independent payment.
Yes.
Personal independent payment.
Personal independent payment.
Okay.
These are benefits for the key one, a lot, but these are the key benefits
fall under
public funds.
Okay.
And it's a winning in our friend Srade was a senator. Srade. Srade quite a war as a senator. And Kaupa as a senator. Once a war UK had and so Unyibi.
Okay.
Now, so what the no recourse to public funds now also says, ask Srade dear Unyibi.
And a requirement of Unyanti.
Once a baby catcher and a baby said, "Wo unye ube or domain actually,
or domain the ban,
no say wo ube koto, unia ketwa, ube sumono, ube say, could be an name how can thinking in one. Jacob and Eso. Nemo so okay thinking to one dia, and ye could be.
Okay.
And I said, so these are the things. What they are told. Majority of applicants are leave to remain.
You leave to enter.
Or leave to enter, but it's the shorter period. I, Ubia oye like waba fufro.
Okay.
Now as you saw or renew the visa no. Ebia 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. Some crowdfunding they are not qualified for no recourse to public funds because what they are told. It won't mean. Look at all these things. Adorson.
I think it's about 20 of them.
Oko other Ireland, Northern Ireland, and as called almost one there. You were every winter benefits, widow benefits, all
child.
But we are talking about benefit for public funds. And any universal credit, pension credit, housing benefit, attendance allowance, carers allowance, child benefit, child tax credit, council tax reduction, employment and support allowance, income support, job seeking allowance, and PIP. Say, no recourse to public funds at all. Leave to remain, so you can't get access. You are unable to get access to this. And when you look at the financial situation, you will must see now. People need to enjoy this
benefit, but they are
unable. So what can you do?
So then you need to remove the no recourse public funds. How do you remove it?
You have to meet a criteria.
That is, you should be eligible to.
You should be eligible for it.
Oh, for it, okay.
Right. Okay. You should be eligible for it. And when you look at the eligibility, actually, in the application now, within the change of condition.
Change of condition, okay.
Change of condition says, they say, no, na me nana, me ye juma, abo so many, it will me be 1,500. Right?
Yeah.
So same condition now then assessment it must say you have me £1,000 into me watch so the application now by your friend say change of condition.
Okay.
Now what's there a buying what's there home office say sir could me na what they are told me crata so no recourse to public funds
okay.
Okay.
So
there has been a change of condition, change of subsistence.
Okay.
Circumstance in my life until you have to there's actually legibility requirement you have to meet.
Okay.
So the legibility requirement say one, the applicant must be destitute, or you can qualify for change of condition if one, the applicant is destitute, as defined by Section 95.
Okay.
Of the Immigration and Asylum Act 1999. So one, I say you be a destitute.
Yeah, just say how.
Now, when you look at destitution as defined by section 95 subsection 3 of Immigration and National and Asylum Act 1999. It defines who is a destitute. One, I say a person is a destitute if he does not have adequate accommodation or any means of obtaining it, whether or not his other essential living needs are met. And you know, Yemfan said, Medo Yemfanton, oh, baby, I would say. Now, so no womba, maybe our mammy and son. And I'm now singing room. Obi Konebi. Singing room no crown a chobos. There's a difference between rooms now, more baby. And do the uncle a chobos. In a dan in packet to every woman, and now own mammy and son, a womb. Such situation, it say your accommodation is inadequate. Omochero. Okay. Say, Epa say Omochero, now so who was car, which means a third di. Or they talk, you meet any essential needs in India. In Mranoche say, you are destitute. Omochero. So you qualify for that one aspect. Okay. And I say, if a person is a destitute if he has adequate, but only inadequate. Whether it's if the person has adequate accommodation or the means of obtaining it, but cannot meet other essential needs. Or well, be more, or mammy and son, or 3-bedroom, into accommodation near adequate. Now, so ye choma career, which you are done canning in a year, dear would be the crown.
It is like a story I read at paragraph 6 of the 115 Asylum Act 1999. I read it. There's one Sarah who is a full-timer, but at the same time, the second sunti, on an embar every 3-bedroom, up 1-bedroom, and they share the same toilet. So she qualify for this.
So that person can classify under section 95, subsection 3, and say, or you're destitute.
Okay.
So one, he qualified.
Agreed.
He qualified to make application for change of condition to be removed. That no recourse to public funds,
so that she can enjoy.
So that he can join the Musrani.
Okay, all right, I agree.
You get what I mean? So this is what is called destitute.
Destitute. Okay, so destitution will lead to the removal of no recourse public funds, so that you can enjoy.
Yeah, the situation lead it to a situation you can either meet accommodation, but you cannot meet other essential needs.
Okay.
Or you cannot meet accommodation, but you can meet other essential needs.
Okay, I understand.
Okay. Say Banisana. Say Epa say, baby, I want to ma. Then I'm waiting, Bibia adequate. Money problem. But someone who's somewhere Bibia, then you are not destitute.
Okay, because you can finance all
that's
this.
it.
Okay.
You know, bills or na baby or ten crano, obine have a dear man until rent free.
Cohabitation be.
It can be. And as a cancer be in our baby man, and as a charity, it could be a sort of crown. I can with Yabun say, yeah, may or Namu or bread, Entino, ya baby kakra, aman so on tran. Said people know you are also destitute.
Okay.
In this case, you qualify for a change of condition.
Okay.
So that they can remove no recourse to public funds from your leave.
Okay, now as your perspective, as you have been a solicitor lawyer, do people come to you and say they need to meet the criteria? Now they're going through destitution. How will we be able to remove the no recourse to public funds so that they can enjoy the benefit? Do you experience this one?
It is part of our work.
Okay.
In your friend Wiki Oh yes.
Oh, okay.
A lot of people doesn't know say ebefa. So when you come, we assess you. That's first time you come for consultation.
Okay.
Say me ho kyerɛ me me nya sika me mba be bia me da na de no enti no mbe sɛ me ba bisa me sɛ me bisa kwankyerɛ sɛ obetime yie
no recourse
no if so say na be ya benefit me so my there me gibi e ba na sa na we access me bisa sɛ ehe fa na wote wotu adan ka
okay
wo dan ka yesen me bisa sɛ bosome ahe na wotu ya me sinsin ni nyinam sɛ wo ba wo ba umani yesen
bia mienu
enti sɛ emma no kra ye miensa na was in a room it is against the your friend accommodation act so you become overcrowded.
Okay,
that's the first point.
Okay, you qualify.
That's it.
Okay,
you are overcrowded. In a way about sensing say okay me wo dine me tuya be £500 me je your friend me £1,000 no mama yansa until me 12 dine ka 500 aka 500 500 nka no me de tuya bill nkete at the end of it mo fra no ko one tare shem kura na aye de am this for and other essential needs and the balance answer you qualify. So I will assess you. It's not only become a destitute. The another point is that if there are compelling reasons relating to the welfare of the relevant child, relevant child, and I say, Oba, you're British.
Okay.
Say, I didn't know there's a compelling reason relating to the welfare of Abofrano on account of you having a very low income.
Okay.
Until relevant child, British back. Right? There's comparison. Because of who pay now unyanity. Abo Francis na say wo hwe no. What do you mean hwe no? Because your financial strength is very limited.
Okay.
Into a bad sana.
No more access here.
A bad sana, then you qualify for
no recourse to
public fund. In FA, no, if the applicant is facing exceptional circumstances affecting their income or expenditure.
Okay.
Exceptional circumstance can be a biawakodi loan. Loan no bosu bia ye give 400. Ye we. Anan say a baby wo amanone ultra school fees. There are a lot of things I will share before an exceptional circumstance. Because of that, no more extra. Until you wait me your application. If you so amount. So you have to meet this. Into open assessment in we can advise you say straightforward say yes
you
qualify. Therefore we can do the change of condition application for you so that they can remove it. Now
you accept it
letter. Now the letter now apply to council. And the benefit you are making if you qualify any of them, they will give it to you.
They'll give it to you, okay. All right.
Yeah, they'll give it to you.
All right. Okay. 53 minutes past 12. You call up to the 1 o'clock now. My muso. So what will be also be some lawyer and amwa. Also wait to me a friend 079 08443338. No recourse to public funds. How be bria kofu be kwana nanaka say yes it is your legitimate right to enjoy the benefit, but what is preventing you from enjoying the no recourse to public funds no? And no one sem ena yedu hu komo yi. Nti say wo how be and also say unnim kwa be fa so a obenye bia. Obetumi afre Wiseman Solicitors 0208 0165384 and also 077 905 077 Wiseman Solicitors the printhouse 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, London E8 3DL. Nti wetumi akọ na oni omedi nkomo na wahwe say obetumi aboawo ema no recourse to public funds no say dawso a na ge say embargo era tos wontumi enje sa benefit bi kofo bebre enje bi obi wo a no ye djuma ne ho kire no ba kwan ban eno be so a betumi agibi eno na lawyer na namu a ekan and those who how you betumi afre ana ye pon betumi afre lawyer na namu a e wo 077 375 72905
Yeah, so there are some people who are category of people who are under the immigration rule, they qualify.
Okay.
They don't qualify.
They don't qualify, yeah.
But be one so if you are a partner,
civil partner.
It can be a civil partner. Partner for and you can be a spouse, a partner, or married partner, civil partner, proposed fiancé. One for an partner.
Oh, okay, all right.
Who define partner about the way now? One now for an partner.
Okay.
So instead of make or you look, I will just use the word partner.
Okay. So it simplifies everything.
That's it.
All right.
So
no discrimination.
It is a legal term.
No.
Right. Okay. So who is qualified to apply for change of condition? A partner or parent and appendix FM.
Okay.
On the 10 years route. So we are partner so crew so yere. And now you are awful. I do what 10 years route no so. You qualify for your fair change of condition. Na ye way so. And now so if you're a person and appendix private life, i.e. 20 years for EB. And now so we are bofra wabetena kumha for EBS 7 years. Now Ukraine indefinite leave to remain. You can also all these things are now. And I say if you have a leave to remain on the basis of other humanitarian grounds,
okay,
you can also qualify for this change of condition in your man. A student cannot be qualified.
You cannot be qualified. Students don't go.
They don't go there.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So a idea looking at the current financial situation, clients in aircon, way change of condition, and a few waiver is very good for people. Those find themselves in the financial difficulties,
especially in destitution.
That's it. You see, when we define destitute, that being of is a just why so you yeni, debut, we yeni, but sana mrana aye.
Okay.
Look,
so it's like a financial constraint. And now says you are working.
Oh yeah,
expenditure. It
is outweigh your income.
Okay, I understand.
Look,
but what is the meaning of imminent destitution?
And you can say imminent outside. Of the outside. Yes. Only panel ye too. The free rate too.
And I don't watch it.
And say you're increasing your friend the rent. It won't mean to you. And if you're right too. And I said, if you're rank, I say, if you're coming for one view, me and my bedroom to me too. Only baby, I also Sika Obako High to see 1 bedroom. You get it 2002. It only 1,002. Into a pay now, Okunya, so it becomes eminent.
Okay.
And you don't need to delay at all.
Okay.
You become eminent. Intino, as I said, oh yeah, there, you have one.
Okay.
Into the institution in the Ebo Amafu. Don't forget, say, what will be fee under the law of housing law. Answer na bit me to evade you from where I saw the Mrakwanso Echo Court.
Okay.
Right. Oko council will not mind you until you become homeless.
Okay.
Homeless doesn't mean say Oda Bontin, Oda Lolo to say even though there's a difference between homeless and sleepless.
Okay.
Street sleepless.
What I that Bontin?
That's it. Until one of Mrano answer now, cancer bit me as was saying, I can say, I'm pay bebo or dying. What will be fear? And so obey homeless.
Okay.
Homeless trigger when the bail leave issue a letter
for removal.
For removal as a court for eviction. Shall court amount say, after Fidel. Immediately a bail leave this letter and be mount, Ujina Honor, what by automatically what by homeless. On the abine. Ebebem and the baby as a hotel called as a copy in Brena, a back of baby amount. Or no, just all you're homeless. But that's how it was. They almost say the eviction letter back. Few are a 2 under section 21. or the man say 2 and as I say we are what do come council they don't mind you because the process has not been triggered.
Okay.
So you have to go to court.
Unless it triggers.
You have to go to court. Say okay court. One day I'll teach about that.
Okay.
We have
We'll
representation
about,
about it. So okay court. Now the court to issue say 2. Still you can still be in the property until the time bailiff come to your house.
Okay.
And give you the you any say bailiff will go back. You better more letter say about this month 2. Or no, you don't need to leave. Who took before that you are not a homeless.
Okay.
In this case, the council will not help you. So, what propose you mean now? Who chance a bailiff in the baba no patutu no? Or papa or say, are you ready? Yes. Give me your key. Who the key man automatically no obey homeless. You march straight forward to council.
Okay.
Oh no man na say me homeless.
Okay.
Instantly. When beer council be fast or be mo be that's adam say hotel cry na e so the man.
Bread and breakfast.
That's it. That doesn't mean that we are homeless in the normal English.
You've been evicted through bailiff.
That's the court process.
But you will not be able to pay your rent.
The difference here is that if you want to evict a tenant, you must pass through a legal process.
Sure.
Where I came from, if you want to evict a tenant, I tell you they will now soon now sending your
That's your village.
That's my village.
That one is an unauthorized thing.
That's
Lawlessness. Like the landlord should have the decency to go to court to seek for the person's removal. That is eviction. So that the letter of that permission will be given to you before they can come and remove you. But then they're voluntary.
They are not voluntary. Baby, I'm say person to obey the was musa. What the way to us and mempe, what the way to us mempe. That would be bad. No, as sound you may born say 2 call. Now what's sound you now how no antennas are even when the landlord issued a section 21 to the court.
Okay.
Now if you say they be me light is so. Hita ewo ho na nanze if you run say mean to na wa be twa light mu wa be we no a it affect the landlord very badly. Okay, so we betumi agina so na eviction or yen kwa na san twem say even though no we issue eviction so person ko no o san tete no
okay
ade a wo ye no we just what for so amemren fresh and also betumi akọ against.
I will have time to talk about this one.
That is different law.
Because this one has a solitary explanation. It has not have any compliance with any other area. This one, eviction itself is a topic on its own.
Yes, of course.
We will have
a different law.
Different law. We have that jurisprudence. We are going to talk about that one. Hopefully, and I know you are going to do yourself. When you do everything, forward me the fact and findings. I also do my research.
No problem.
Then we'll continue.
No problem.
And that's Papa Scooby Aba.
Yo.
Why are they?
Yeah. Don't be as say.
Man, what quadri? Why senior professional lawyer?
I don't need him. Been him saying, oh, I don't na. Yeah, buy it me.
It is about expediency in law.
It's not. You see, it's not about.
This is what I'm going to do.
It's not about experience. I could say, and my boss always says, it's by the grace.
By the grace.
Because lawyers they have been in the system more than 30 days, 30 years. But small on the case, they lose. Yeah, about 1 month. The same case,
okay.
And we are still under.
You are still
under authority.
Okay,
we are still learning from there. Though you cannot.
It's unfinished business.
No,
I know.
It's not Bible. Whereby they want your Genesis and Revelation. I have to maybe make
it come with the principle all the time.
That's
changes,
it.
Subject to changes every time.
Yo.
Can I ask it? Scooby Aba and John Bettinenka. Scooby. You're one of the seasoned DJs and a presenter. When I came to this country, Scooby has been my mentor all the time.
The news, the interviews, and what have you, all packed and ready to go on your favorite radio station, Hot Digital Online. This is your drive time. Hot
This is the place for the consistent music you've grown accustomed to. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 7 days a week. This is your location for maximum music. The best hit music every time you turn us on. Every time you turn this is the place for the consistent music you've grown accustomed to. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 7 days a week. This is your location for maximum music. The best hit music every time you turn us on. Every time you turn us on, there's another hit song coming on.
The official Ghana UK Hot Digital Christmas Party. Friday, 27th of December 2024. A Christmas with a difference. Come and celebrate with us on the 27th of December 2024. After a stressful year, top DJs on rotation playing some of the best Afro beats. Old school. Bashment.
Some of them are rally back. We a road boy, you we not take back no charge.
No more, keep back, can't stop.
Highlight. And much more. Hosted by some of the best MCs across London, including the Hot Digital crew. Mumra Nebeyede. On the night, there will be many activities, including a raffle, mature games, dancing competitions, and others. A variety of food and drink will also be on sale. There will be kebab and other assorted grilled meats. On this extravagant night, come wearing your best Christmas outfit and dazzle everyone with your looks. The event will be happening live on the 27th of December 2024 at the Broadwater Farm Community Centre, 1 Adams Road, Tottenham, N17 6HG. Time 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. Info 07737 0555 23 or 07880 366 085 and 07577 123 932. Sponsors: Lemfi Money Transfer, Abinell Solicitors, Dedu Restaurants, Leytonstone, Cala Properties, Forest Gate, Enaba Foods, and Mama G's Kitchen. Grays, the official Ghana UK Christmas Hot Digital